What's going on, everybody? Today we're in my E92 BMW 335i N54 motor, of course. And today we're at the bottom of Seymour Moutain. We're gonna take a rip up the hill and catch some nice curves. We've done this ride before on the FZ6, but I thought before we put the car away for the season, we'd bring out the BMW to take it for a rip up the hills, test it out in some corners, and see how she does, because I rarely get a chance to drive this car in some spirited back roads. If you're curious, this is a stick shift, stage 2 plus car, full bolt-ons, meth injection, probably making 360, 370 to the wheels. It's a good fun car. So today, let's rip it up the hill and have some fun. Let's go. Bumpy. Down to second. Big bump. Yeet. Big bump coming up right here. Sheesh. We got some dogs on the road. We're gonna slow it down for them. Take it off. Let's go. Sheesh. Big bump. It's under 3 degrees, BMW says. God, that bong always stresses me out. You know it's a check engine light, but it's not. God, this car just grips out of the corner. Don't want to hit the plow. Perfect boosting conditions. Coming into a tight corner, hard on the brakes. Bump. Down to second. Don't wash out in the dirt. Let's go. Big bump. Forgot about that one. Tight corner. Bumpy corners. Gotta watch out, there might be some water on the road, you never know. Tight corner coming up, get down to third, second. Okay, cool it down a bit. Oil temp's up to 125. I think we're just gonna cool it down a bit. We're right near the end. And that's a lap up Seymour. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. It's -1 degrees up here. It's pretty chilly. Probably just gonna let the car idle up here, cool off a bit, and proceed down in a nice chill fashion. You can see the snow starting to blow in up here. It's -1.5 degrees and it's chilly. That's part of the reason why they say on this road you have to have winter tires up until March 31st, which really makes this the perfect time to bring sports cars up here. You likely don't have rain because it's cold, and if it is going to precipitate, it's going to snow like it is right now. So if you get up here when it's not snowing, the roads are dry like today, it's optimal conditions for a boosted car like this. Got to watch your oil temps because you can still get it really hot. Coming up that rip, I was in boost like the whole way, even just partial throttle. I was sitting at like 8-9 pounds the whole way up. Kind of didn't want to absolutely floor it on the way up. I was concerned about, you know, misfires and stuff like that, because you know how it is with the BMW. Every time you put your foot to the floor, your brain just goes, check engine lights. So it was a super fun run. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. I had fun driving it. I hope I get out to do this more often in the summer and in all my vehicles. It's just a good time to enjoy them. So as always, thanks for watching. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, have a good day. Wouldn't you know it, right as I start going down the hill, I get 3 misfire codes. We got 03, 300, so basically random misfire. That's an O2 sensor thing that's not really a problem. But misfire, misfire, misfire. Gonna erase these and on we go. Hopefully the car starts and runs fine. These plugs are getting a little bit old and I think they just need to be replaced because they misfire under boost. There we go, 0 GTCs. Unplug this. Turn off the car, pray to the BMW gods. Let's put it back in. Yeet. Sounds good to me. Let's hope we can make it home without any misfires now. Typical BMW life. So I'm limping at home and I got the eyes on my boost gauge here, and basically if I keep it under like -5, it doesn't misfire, but it's really hard. It basically means I can't accelerate. It's horrible. As soon as I get into boost, like I was just pulling away from a stop sign there, and I was like, oh, just like light acceleration, and the thing misfired. So I'm like, Jesus. So I really just try and keep it way out of boost, crawl away from a stop real slow, and if I keep it just fully in vacuum, the air stays, you know, smooth enough that it doesn't piss off the spark plugs and cause a misfire. What a pain.